Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Copilot from Taskbar in Windows 11 guys. Copilot has been one of Microsoft's most prominent features in Windows 11 guys. I know some people don't like how AI can be intrusive and yeah, I don't know. Some people are just not comfortable having this AI tool right on their desktop guys because it's really integrated with Windows 11 experience. So that is that can be a concern for some people. But guys, the good news is Microsoft has made it quite easy to remove and disable this feature. And I'm going to show you just how to do this now. First things first, you want to go to your settings app. So you can go and search for settings on your search bar on Windows and just open the settings app. And then guys, what I want you to do is click on that right there, personalization. And then I want you guys to click on a taskbar, okay? Click on taskbar, scroll down and click on taskbar, and then you're gonna see a bunch of different options. What I want you to do is toggle off Copilot, guys, okay? When you toggle off Copilot, it will turn off Copilot, but that's not going to disable it at all. If you actually want to disable it, you're going to have to do some other steps. So I want you to go back and click on Start. Okay, click on Start right there. And then I want you to search for GP Edit. Okay, click on Open. Okay, search for GP Edit and click on Open, guys. And then I want you to do this step by step, guys. You cannot mess this one up. Okay, go to User Configuration and click. It's going to drop down a few more folders, okay? And then I want you to click on Administrative Templates, okay? Click on that. It's going to give you more drop-down folders. Then you want to click on Windows Components. Then there's going to be more drop-downs. And finally, you want to click on Windows Copilot, okay? Now, right here, guys, once you click on Windows Copilot, okay, you're going to see this option right here, okay? You want to double-click this. Double-click, turn off Windows Copilot, guys, okay? Now here, guys, here is when I want you to do, you want to click on Enabled, okay? Click on Enabled. I know this looks counterintuitive, like we're literally trying to disable something, and you're like, hey, you're telling me to click on Enable? Well, guys, okay, I know that's what it looks like, but since this is us disabling a setting, we are basically allowing ourselves to disable the setting. So we're allowing the setting to be disabled. So that's why I want you to click Enable to turn off Windows Copilot, as you can see right there. So once you just click on Enable, click on Apply, and then click on OK, boom, guys, that's it. That is it. So we're just enabling a policy to disable Copilot. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. And after this, your Copilot will be disabled. It's literally that easy, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, subscribe to Ninja Guides, guys.